To stay updated, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell button. You can also find us on Facebook, same name of IIUI Schools, Ukhara campus.
Principal, teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Here is Muhammad to tell you about 23rd March resolution. March 23rd, 1940 is a remarkable day in the history of Pakistan. That day, Muslims of South Asia told world that they were nothing but recognition as a separate nation. The Muslim and a separate country to live in freely Pakistan. It was Pakistan Resolution Day, 23rd March 1940. When Muhammad Ali Jinnah became the Quaid-e-Azam. He later came to be known as that day he became that passionate symbol of strength. The man Jinnah, who was once famous as the ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity, now became the greatest leader who advocated the Muslims' right to self-rule and independence. 23rd March 1940 was the day when Muslims truly gathered at a platform to make Pakistan and under Quaid leadership. Thank you. Pakistan Zindabad.